Items Register window. The Items Register allows you to view a list of item transactions, and view a running balance of the quantity and value of your inventoried items. Click the zoom arrow next to a transaction to open the window in which the transaction was originally created. Field Descriptions. Search by dated from to. You can search for a single item or all items within a transaction date range. Date column. The date the transaction was recorded appears in this column. SRC column. This column displays the source journals used for the transactions in the list. For example, IJ Inventory Journal, PJ Purchases Journal, SJ Sales Journal. ID Number column. This column displays the transaction identifiers, such as invoice number, PO number and inventory journal number. Item column. The item number entered on the transaction is displayed. If several items were entered on a transaction, each item is displayed on a separate line. This column appears only if the search by selection is all items. Memo column. The information entered in the memo field of the transaction is displayed. Quantity column. The quantity that the on-hand balance of the inventoried item is increased or decreased by for the transaction. For example, if you sell 50 gadgets on an invoice, the quantity that will appear in the column is -50. If you purchase 50 gadgets, the quantity that will appear in the column is 50. Amount column. The amount that the total value of the inventoried item is increased or decreased by for the transaction. On-hand column. This column displays a running balance of the quantity of this item. The numbers in the column reflect the quantity of the inventoried item that is on hand as of each transaction. This column appears only if the search by selection is item. Current value column. This column displays a running balance of the value of this item. The numbers in the column reflect the current value of the inventoried item as of each transaction. This column appears only if the search by selection is item. Build items. Click to open the Build Items window. Adjust Inventory. Click to open the Adjust Inventory window. Print. Click to print the Items Register Detail Report. Close. Click to close this window.